Hey guys, it's D-Money-Bala. Today we're going to be unboxing this new 16-inch MacBook Pro. It's the first Apple laptop I've got, and so I'm going to be unboxing it, and later you can expect a review on how it compares to Windows laptops. So I think we just tear this little tab here. Really easy to get the plastic open on this bad boy. Very easy. And then we just pull this guy off, I suppose. Well, and there she is, all 16 inches of glory. Space gray, very nice. Set that here. We've got our whole designed introduction package and this cable for the charger, USB-C of course, and our charging brick. I don't know if there's anything else in here. No, I think that's all just box. So very minimalistic. Pretty cool though, very nice. And let's crack her open. I've always seen people lift up Macintosh screens with just one finger, and boom, there it is. Nice and easy. There she is, starts right up. Really excited to play around with this, and I will let you guys know my thoughts about it. So we're gonna test the speakers out. Supposedly they're really good on the MacBook Pro. My daily driver. It's still doing everything I ask of it, except for some video editing. So I figured, what can I do to solve my problem? I got myself a GTX 1660 Super graphics card, and that's gonna help me. It's very, very voluminous. It's pretty easy to hear everything. Overall, my first impressions are that the keyboard is a little more squished than most laptop keyboards I've ever used, so it took me a little bit to get used to. The screen is amazing, and so are the speakers, but sometimes the fans can kick in and it kind of sounds really loud with those fans, like incredibly loud. But overall, it's a very fun machine to play with. The touch bar makes it very interesting. It has a lot of interesting suggestions, and it's supposed to be customizable, so I'll be looking into that. And you guys can expect a full review later. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.